Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ali Raja's Buckenbury UK. I am your host Akib Ullah.
And I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. Now in this video we'll be showing you how to cook Indian chicken tikka in an air fryer, and we'll also be showing you how to make mint sauce to go with it.
We will show you how to prepare, cook and serve within 1 hour. Without further ado, Dad, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
First we need to marinate the chicken. So Dad, what spices are we going to be using?
Okay, so we're going to be using ginger, 1 teaspoon of ginger,
Blended ginger,
grounded fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, freshly ground garlic. We'll be using about a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, which is haldi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, about some chili powder.
Because we like the kick.
We like it extra hot, so we're going to put about a teaspoon of chili powder.
We like spice. We always have spice in our food.
And some mustard powder, about a teaspoon of mustard powder. And on top of that, we're going to be using some chili flakes to give that extra kick. About half a teaspoon. Okay. And then we're going to add
4 tablespoons of natural
yogurt. About 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt.
1 more.
Okay. Some oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. That should be enough. And squeeze
of lemon.
Half a fresh lemon into the marinade.
Now it's time to mix it. Let's do it. I'm going to mix this fast. They all just blended in straight away.
Okay, now Akib, it's time to put the chickens in there.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
So we're using about half a kilo
of chicken.
It's medium size cut, okay? It's not
and it's cut into cubes. Okay, now let's just mix them all in.
Mix everything together. And we're going to leave it marinated for marinate for about 20 minutes. In the room temperature. Okay, so mix them together properly.
Now this is mixed together, I'm going to leave this to marinate in a room temperature for about 20 minutes.
So the chicken has been marinated for about 20 minutes now. So they're ready to go into the air fryer. Before we do that, we're going to put them into a wooden skewer. Now I had them soaked into water for about 20 minutes. So let's put the chicken into the skewer. I'm going to put about
3 on them.
3 pieces in one skewer. And one goes in here.
The chicken are all prepared now. We're going to put it in the air fryer with 200 degrees and we're going to keep it in there for 20 to 30 minutes, but we're going to check on it time to time. It's time to put them in. I'm going to put that one right there. Another one. This is like the chunky one. As you can see, the chicken are nicely laid out to go into the air fryer. Let's put it inside. Okay. While this is being cooked, let's make the mint sauce. Mint sauce is very simple to make. You just need some yogurt, a teaspoon of mint sauce, some salt for taste, and just a little bit of sugar. Now the mint sauce is done. Now let's check onto the chicken.
So delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah, the aromatic smell.
Can you smell that?
Yeah.
It smells so delicious. Just have to wait another 10 minutes.
10 minutes, then we can try it.
And then before we can try it. Now, shall we tell everyone about our Dubai trip?
On the 12th of December, we're going to Dubai.
And then we're going to Bangladesh. What are we doing in Dubai?
We're going to make so many interesting vlogs for you guys.
We'll try to make interesting vlogs for you in Dubai, and then we're going into Bangladesh. And that would be amazing because we're traveling to different parts of Bangladesh to make different vlogs in different cities.
And we can see our like family members, like our mama and stuff.
And we'll be traveling to the villages to visit our distant families. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification for future videos. So, shall we tell them about our new channel, Akib?
Yeah.
What's our new channel called?
It's called Akib's Fun TV.
Akib's Fun TV. Now, this is a new channel that Akib has. It's more for our younger viewers. So what's this channel about?
So we do gaming, we have like fun vlogs, we do cooking and traveling the same, but we're going to be like cooking like cakes and other more fun stuff.
Like challenges
yeah,
and stuff, yes.
We're going to be doing pranks, so stay tuned for that. And I made a recent video, an Xbox One S unboxing. That was my early Christmas present, and I unboxed it and showed you how to set it up.
So please visit Akib's new channel and please subscribe. Get your children, your younger brothers and sisters to subscribe to his channel. We're going to leave the link in the description below. So it's called Akib's Fun TV. So please visit that channel and please subscribe to his channel.
Wow, this looks so beautiful. The chicken has some colourful flavours and colours. It looks so good. I can't wait to try this. So let's get into it and try this because it smells so nice. I can't wait. It smells so nice. Let's try this now. It looks so beautiful, doesn't it?
It does look beautiful and smells delicious.
So delicious.
So it's time to it's time to taste the chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka, Indian chicken tikka.
Yes, let's try some. I'm going to try some mint sauce with it.
Same.
It's really nice.
Try it?
What do you think?
Yeah, it does taste really nice.
It does taste really nice. Have a go. Try making the chicken tikka at home. It took us less than 1 hour.
1 hour.
That's from preparing, marinating, and then cooking, and then serving, eating. It took less than 1 hour.
1 hour.
Have a go. Try this at home. You really like it.
And it tastes really nice as well.
Look out for our Dubai videos.
Dubai videos that's going to be coming out next week. And we're going to be making Bangladesh videos about street food. We're going to be traveling to Sylhet, Dhaka, Chittagong, all those places. It's just going to be fantastic. And we're going to be giving you a tour. And
if you're new to your channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, and you'll be notified straight away. Please check out Akib's new channel.
Akib's Fun TV.
Akib's Fun TV. This channel is more about younger viewers.
Younger viewers.
So please get your children, your brothers, sisters to subscribe to Akib's channel. Please visit the channel and subscribe it.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications for more future videos. See ya. Bye.
See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.